in the train, got on in the train, and now we are going to Manly Beach today because it's a fine sunny day. It's 32 degrees outside and it's very comfortable, it's very nice. And today we're going for a small picnic and we're meeting two other people. We're excited and we have all snacks and beach mat and beach basket, everything ready with us. So excited, let's see how it goes. We are at the central station now and this is really nice because it's newly renovated. Now we are going to platform number 20, from where we are going to catch the train to Circular Quay. It's a very popular spot, and from there we are going to go and take a ferry. And we are waiting for Teresa, and then we are going to the beach. Okay, so I don't want to go in the water because I don't have a change of clothes, but since Inez and everyone went in, so I'm gonna go in now, but not completely, just my feet though. I'm a water baby, but today I don't have my bikini or a swimsuit.
You going?
Okay, where are these girlies? Say hi! Say hi! And we're finally going in the water. It's so cold! I'm not going in. Oh, the water is not so cold. Look at her, she's there. Oh, so cold. Ooh.
Fighting the cold.
Oh, it's good. It's nice. So we just packed up and left from the beach, and now we are just hiking up these stairs at the beach because there's some really nice view from here. So photography session one by one. Look at her, looks awesome, and all these girlies are getting ready to do the photo. Now we are walking out of Manly. Sorry, we went to Shelley's beach actually, and we're walking back from there towards Manly, and that's where we are going to get a ferry from. And before that, we are going to get some ice cream from Anita's, and it's a very popular ice cream store, and it's really nice. I did try it last time, but this is going to be my second time. What flavor is this again?
Lemon and fresh mint.
And yours is watermelon. This one is pavlova, very
And
pavlova
cookies.
and cookie. And Inez is chocomint. And this is tiramisu.